Hey everybody. So today I'm showing you the errors that I'm getting when I'm trying to reload SCT. I've been trying to work on this F4 SNC for a viewer of mine, but I've been having some problems with my SCT, so I tried to remove it and add it back. And of course, in true Johnson fashion, it's not really wanting to add back. So let's go through the process of trying to reinstall it. I've done some things to the computer, so let's see. So you click down into the folder, the install folder, to get to this .exe of the SCT. And then this is where you want to right click and run as admin. That is going to save you big time later if you do that. Install. Now, this is where you don't want to click cancel. Okay, if it looks like it's stuck on a step, don't worry, it's not stuck on a step. It's doing some stuff in the background. Just go away, get some coffee, stuff like that. When this pops up, that's when it failed. So same thing here. So I'm gonna view the install log right here. All right, and then I used to be able to log into some systems that would help me out with this, but all that access is gone. So I'm going to copy that guy, and I'm going to cheat. I'm going to go over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say this. Okay, so I pasted that error in there. I did this last night, by the way. I tried this one. It looked like it was not working, but let's go ahead and try that again. CMD. So it's saying run command prompt as admin, and paste this guy in there. And then what that does is it fixes any Windows issues. So I'm going to walk away and let this do this because I know it's going to take a while. We'll speed this process up and we'll see what we get after that. All right, that finished. So now let's close this and go retry. I'm going to keep this sheet open. Close that. Ooh, I double clicked. I might know, so I can just right click. Hit run as admin. There you go. Yes. We're going to install. Let's see if we get any farther than what we did last time. This, I have found, this is the best use of AI for me. Anytime I'm having some Windows problems or some network errors or some kind of errors, I feed that into AI, and AI gives me some solutions. This might work because it hung up at around 63% of whatever it was doing. Nope. Did not work. So let's go to the next one on the list. This one, manually install these frameworks. Looks like I can do CMD again. Run as admin. And we want to copy this one and paste it right there. All right, completed successfully. Let's go. Try to run this again. All right, build right away. Let's run to the next one. fails, use Windows ISO. That didn't fail. This did not fail. So I'm going to move over to this one, check Windows. Features manually. So if I go to Windows R, enable things like seed. All right, back here, run as admin. I probably should be restarting every time, but we'll do that at the end. If it magically works, we know one of these actually happened. I think I'm going to choose option 3. This looks like the best option for me. Looks like I'm going to have to purchase the upgrade. Try one more time. Because this is no longer compatible with Windows 11. I probably had Windows 10 back when this software was out. It's all that I'm licensed for, so I'm going to have to buy the upgraded license to throw in the upgraded SCT that works with Windows 11. Unless I can try this fix, which I might. But we'll see.